Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel.
Okay, let's go.
For today's video, we are going to do an unboxing. This is from my tia Trisha from New Zealand. My tia loves me so much that she gives me gifts even if she is far away. Before tia Trisha went to New Zealand, she lived with us here in Dubai and saw me growing up from my mama's tummy till I turned 1 year old. We live far from our families, as my dad's family is in India, and my mom's family is from the Philippines, and now they live in New Zealand. I only see them through video calls every day. I feel so happy receiving gifts from them. Even if they are so far away, they are still so thoughtful. Now let's see what's in the box.
Wow!
First there is this bag of little balls, and there is so many of them. Then there's this thing. Do you have a guess what is in the box? If you have guessed it's a playpen, then you are correct. Papa will first check the manual on how to build the playpen step by step, and he checks if the parts are complete. Let's go and start building. This is the finished product. The size of it is 150 centimeters by length and 150 centimeters by width and 68 centimeters by height. It's a perfect size for our house because it's not too small and not too big. Thank you so much, tia Trisha, for this playpen. I really love it. Now Mama can do household chores without worrying about me all the time. Mama just need to rearrange the house to find the perfect spot for the playpen. And this is how it looks like. Do you like it? That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.